Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I would like to ask you a simple question. Do you love playing games? Do you love watching cartoons on television? Do you want to make a game or cartoon on your own? What is your answer? If your answer is yes, then this session will help you to fulfill your dreams. Scratch is a relatively new but a very easy programming language. It is so easy that even very small kids can understand it. It is an application programming language. We can use it to create our own interactive stories, animations, games, music, and art. The ultimate goal is to help kids become fluent with digital media, empowering them to express themselves creatively and make connections to powerful ideas. The screen on which you are seeing is called the stage, and the character or the cat which you are seeing in that space is the sprite. The stage is where you see your stories, games, and animations come to life. Sprites move and interact with one another on the stage. This is the sprite and this is the stage area. There are three parts which you will see once you have opened Scratch. This is the block palette. This is the scripts area, and this is the stage area, as I've already told you. In the block palette, we can select here the type of instructions which we want to use in our script. We will take the commands from here and then drag and drop them in the scripts area to make the program and give instructions to the sprite. This is the flag button. We use it to run the program or start the program. This red button is the stop button. It stops everything from the sprite moving and every movement on the stage. So, as you know the basic components of Scratch, let's get started. To open Scratch, double click on the cat icon in the desktop, and this is the default Scratch screen. As I've already told you, this is the block palette, and here are the commands which I drag and drop in the scripts area. The block palette has 4 blocks: motion, looks, sound, pen, control, sensing, operators, variables. We'll discuss more about them in our next video. The scripts area has 3 parts: scripts, where we drag and drop the commands; costumes, where the costumes of the sprites are shown; and sounds, to play sounds. Here is a start button and here is the stop button. In Scratch we can change the sprite, and we can use multiple sprites to create an animation. We can paint the new sprite, or we can choose a new sprite from this button. I am choosing animals and bee. We can also get a search sprite. Of these I am choosing only the bee. Now that we are done with the sprite, let's get the background. To change the background, we should first click the stage icon. Here also there are scripts, and then from scripts, backgrounds. Then import. I am choosing nature, garden rock. So the background has come, and this is how we make a program. Now all is left for us to drag and drop the instructions from the block palette in the scripts area, and a program will be formed. Thank you friends for watching our channel. I think that you have enjoyed this video, so please don't forget to click on the like button, and please subscribe our channel to get the notification of my next video. Thank you.